This video is going to cover server or Dreamweaver server type questions that you might see in the certification test. So the question begins with, why would you use a remote server? A server is a place that you would store your Dreamweaver file. So you're doing all this creation in Dreamweaver, and right now it's just on your local hard drive, and nobody can access it but you. And so what you need to do is you need to get it out to the world, and what you need to do is publish it. And what you would use to do that is a remote server. So why would you use a remote server? Well, let's look at it. There's a few things that you need to know. It's a place that you can back up your web files. You're going to store it there. It's a place that you can keep your web files backed up. So that's the first point. The second thing is it allows people to view your website. Again, this is the place that's storing the files. When you type in www. whatever it is, you're going to a server, and this uploading your files to a server allows people to see your website. And then finally, it provides a secure place to upload your files. Nobody can access your files unless they have, or where they can delete it or upload new files, unless they have your password, so your username and password. So those are a few benefits of using a remote server. Next, let's look at, there are so many different types of servers that you could use. The question is, which one should you use with Dreamweaver? And the answer is, out of all of these different types, is the FTP server. The best type of server that you can use with Dreamweaver is the FTP server. Let's talk about a benefit of using Dreamweaver with a remote server. So web pages today are so complex. You have people who specialize in things like design, and some people that specialize in the database behind everything. Some people specialize in coding. Well, you could have a bunch of people working on one project at the same time. And the benefit of using Dreamweaver is that it has a check-in and out feature. So what does that mean? So maybe I'm working on the home page and I have that checked out and I'm working on it. Well, that means that you, while I have it checked out, can't do anything with the file until I check it back in. So one of the benefits of using Dreamweaver with a remote server is the check-in and out feature. And then finally, cloaking. Cloaking is much like what it looks like. It's a way to on your server, you can upload files, but cloaking a file means that even though it's there, nobody else can see it. And so cloaking allows you to hide portions of your site from the public.